I am Shori Shorkar, and today we discuss about derivative from first principle. So, derivative from first principle. Now we have to know how we find the derivative from first principle. So, given fx already given, and we have to find f dash x, right? So, how we find? The formula is limit h tends to 0, function of x plus h minus function of x divided by h. Okay, using that formula, we find the derivative. So we take some examples. Number one, function of x equals to log x. We try to find f dash x. That means limit h tends to 0, function of x plus h minus function of x divided by h. So we get limit h tends to 0, function of x plus h, that means log x plus h minus log x divided by h, right? So we know the formula of logarithm, that is log a minus log b, that is equals to log a by b. So we get log x plus h by x divided by h. Now we get limit h tends to 0, that is log 1 plus h by x divided by h. We know the formula, that is limit h tends to 0, log h by h equals to 1. So in that part, that is h by x, right? So what can we do? We divide by x and multiply 1 by x. So that is equals to 1. This whole part equals to 1 multiplied 1 by x, that is equals to 1 by x. So finally we find the derivative of log x equals to 1 by x. Now we take another example. Another example is derivative of sine x. So function of x equals to sine x. So f dash x equals to limit h tends to 0, function of x plus h minus function of x divided by h. Okay, so limit h tends to 0, function of x plus h, that is sine x plus h minus sine x divided by h. Now we have to know the formula of sine c minus sine d. Formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is x plus h plus x by 2, sine c minus d by 2, that is x plus h minus x by 2, divide by h. So plus x minus x cancel out. Now we get limit h tends to 0, that is 2 cos 2x plus h by 2, that is sine h by 2. So we have to know sine h by 2 by h by 2, right? Multiplied half. So 2 and 2 cancel out. Sine h by 2 by h by 2, that is equals to 1. Because if h tends to 0, then h by 2 also tends to 0, right? So we get 1 multiplied by cos 2x plus 0 by 2, that is 2x by 2x. So we find the derivative of sine x equals to cos x. Okay, in that way we find derivative from first principle.